Earth and civilization as we know it have evolved tremendously over the past 200,000 years, undergoing countless transformations along the way. The human species has only existed for a fraction of the universe's immense 13.7 billion year history, just 0.0015% of it. Yet in that brief time, we have accomplished extraordinary feats. From early humans hunting and gathering in the plains of Africa to colonizing the entire planet, our progress has been nothing short of remarkable. Some of history's greatest minds have propelled modern civilization forward, making what once seemed impossible a reality. In just the last 150 years, we have gone from being bound to Earth's surface to setting foot on our closest cosmic neighbor, the Moon. Humanity's journey is awe-inspiring, but when viewed on a universal scale, we may be far from significant. What if we encountered an alien species so advanced that their technology surpassed anything we could imagine? Back in 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev introduced a hypothetical scale to measure a civilization's technological advancement based on the energy it could harness. Today, we refer to it as the Kardashev Scale. Initially, it outlined three main civilization types, though over time, many extensions and modifications have been proposed. Since the scale is logarithmic, each step forward represents an enormous leap in power and capability. Kardashev's original classification defined three civilization levels based on their energy usage. A Type 1 civilization, the lowest on the scale, is known as a planetary civilization, one capable of utilizing and storing all the energy available on its home planet from its star. In Earth's case, that would mean harnessing all of the solar energy reaching our planet, amounting to a staggering 7 times 10 to the power of 17 watts. However, while Earth is closest to this category, we haven't quite reached Type 1 status yet. Instead, we fall into a lower category known as Type 0. When astronomer Carl Sagan analyzed the Kardashev scale, he devised a formula to calculate a civilization's precise ranking based on its energy consumption. K equals log base 10 of P minus 6 divided by 10. Here, K represents a civilization's Kardashev rating, while P is the power it utilizes in watts. A Type 0 civilization, according to this formula, would use about 1 million watts of power, an incredibly small fraction compared to modern energy consumption. In 2015 alone, Earth's total energy usage was 17.35 terawatts, or 17.35 trillion watts. Plugging this into Sagan's formula, humanity's Kardashev rating stands at approximately 0.72. Despite our incredible progress, having sent 12 astronauts to the Moon, spacecraft billions of miles into interstellar space, and even laying the groundwork for Mars colonization, we are still a mere 0.72 on the scale. According to Carl Sagan, humanity is going through a phase of technical adolescence, typical of a civilization about to integrate into the Type 1 Kardashev scale. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku estimates that humans may reach Type 1 status within the next 100 to 200 years, Type 2 in the next few thousand years, and Type 3 between 100,000 and 1 million years from now. This immense timescale highlights just how challenging it is to advance to the next level. Still, we are on our way. Achieving Type 1 status will mark a pivotal moment in human history, granting us control over our planet's energy. We could manipulate the weather, alter geological formations, and much more. Yet even this level of mastery is minuscule compared to what awaits in Type 2. A Type 2 civilization, also called a stellar civilization, can harness the full energy of its host star and distribute it throughout its solar system. One theorized method for this is the construction of Dyson structures, first proposed by Freeman Dyson. These megastructures, whether a solid Dyson sphere or a network of orbiting solar collectors, could capture all of a star's energy output. Another more exotic energy source would involve feeding a star into a black hole and extracting energy from the emitted photons in the accretion disk. While the logistics of this are baffling, it remains a hypothetical possibility. A Type 2 civilization would dominate its entire solar system, harnessing energy, mining asteroids, controlling planetary orbits, and essentially reshaping its environment at will. Yet, even this incredible power pales in comparison to the next stage, Type 3. A Type 3 civilization, also known as a galactic civilization, controls the total energy output of an entire galaxy. Their power would be incomprehensible, placing them firmly in the realm of science fiction, at least for now. A civilization at this level would operate similarly to a Type 2 civilization, but on an unimaginable scale, mining not just planets but entire solar systems. They might build Dyson swarms around billions of stars, manipulating the very fabric of their galaxy. These beings would wield the energy of quasars, supermassive black holes, and even dark matter itself. Real estate in space could become a reality, with entire star systems being claimed, auctioned, and traded by a governing power. Interestingly, a Type 3 civilization might be difficult, if not impossible, to detect. If they fully harnessed the energy of their stars, their galaxy could appear invisible from an outside observer's perspective, as all its energy would be captured rather than radiating outward. Could this explain the Bootes void, one of the largest known voids in the universe? Spanning 330 million light-years in diameter, this cosmic emptiness contains only 60 detected galaxies, a mere 3% of the expected number. Could it be that a Type 3 civilization has already colonized and hidden an entire region of space, consuming its resources for energy? The mystery remains unsolved, but as humanity continues its climb up the Kardashev Scale, one thing is clear: our journey is just beginning. What do you think? Could an advanced civilization already exist at the Type 3 level? Could they be hiding in plain sight? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your theories. Thanks for watching.